Good morning, students. This is JNR. Now we discuss locus problems, most important problems. So first sum, find the equation of locus of a point P if the distance of P from A is twice the distance of P from B. 2 points are given and one condition is also given. What is the condition? Distance of P from A is twice the distance of P from B. That is the condition. First of all, write given points. Given points A of 3, 0, B of minus 3, 0. These two are points. Next, let P of x1, y1 be a point on the locus. Now, next we write geometric condition. What is the geometric condition? The distance of P from A. Distance of P from A means AP. Given condition is distance from A. Distance of P from A. AP equal to is twice means 2 times the distance of P from B. PB. This is condition, geometric condition. Now squaring on both sides. That implies AP square equal to 2 square. 2 square means 4 into PB square. Now apply the formula. Distance between 2 points means square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now here square is there. Now square root is cancelled. x2 minus x1 whole square. Now we consider this point A. x1, y1, this one is x2, y2. x2 minus x1. x1 minus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1. y1 minus 0 whole square equal to 4 into PB square. Now B x1 y1 x2 y2 x2 minus x1 x2 minus x1 x2 is x1 minus of minus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1 minus 0 whole square. That implies by using formula A minus B whole square, x1 square A square x1 square minus 2AB minus 2 into x1 into 3. 2 3s are 6 6x1 plus B square 3 square 9 plus y1 minus 0 y1 whole square equal to 4 into x1 minus into minus plus 3 whole square plus y1 minus 0 y1 whole square. That implies x1 square plus y1 square minus 6x1 plus 9 equal to 4 into, by using formula A plus B whole square, x1 square plus 2AB 2 into x1 into 3 2 3s are 6 x1 plus B square 3 square 9 plus y1 square. That implies x1 square plus y1 square minus 6x1 plus 9 equal to 4 into x1 square, 4x1 square plus 4 6 are 24x1 plus 4 9s are 36 plus 4 into y1 square, 4y1 square. Now we take these terms LHS to RHS. First of all, write RHS terms. 4x1 square plus 24x1 plus 36 plus 4y1 square. Now we write these terms LHS to RHS. Plus x1 square, it becomes minus x1 square. Plus y1 square becomes minus y1 square. Minus 6x1, it becomes plus 6x1. Plus 9, it becomes minus 9 equal to 0. That implies 4x, simplify this one, 4x1 square minus x1 square, 3x1 square. Next y1 square terms, 4y1 square minus y1 square plus 3y1 square. Next x1 terms, 24 x1 plus 6x1, 24x1 plus 6x1, 30x1, 30x1. Next y1 terms, observe y1 terms are not there. Next constant plus 36 minus 9 plus 36 plus 9 plus 27 equal to 0. Which table is cancelled? Third table. That implies x1 square plus y1 square plus 10x1 plus 9 equal to 0. x1 square plus y1 square plus 10x1 plus 9 equal to 0. Okay. Now, therefore, hence the required equation of the locus is, now we write this one, replace x1 y1 by x comma y, x square plus y square plus 10x plus 9 equal to 0. This is the locus equation. Okay. Okay students, next sum. Find the locus of the third vertex of a right angled triangle, the ends of whose hypotenuse are 4, 0 and 0, 4. One right angled triangle. Right angle triangle, this one, A, B. Two right angle triangle, the ends of whose hypotenuse, this is the right angle triangle, 90 degrees, opposite hypotenuse. Hypotenuse ends are given, one A 4, 0, second one 0, 4. Next, find the locus of the third vertex of a right angle. Now, find out locus of this point, P. Now, we consider this point is x1, y1. Okay. What is the right angle triangle form? PA hypotenuse whole square equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. Okay. PA square plus PB square equal to AB square. Okay. Alright. given points f4 comma 0 comma b of 0 comma 4. Now we consider this point is A, this one is B. Next, let third vertex is P. Let P of x1 y1 be a point on the locus. Be a point on the locus. 2 points are given, hypotenuse end points. Now find out third vertex locus. Let P of x1 y1 be a point on the locus. Now write condition, given condition is PA square plus PB square equal to AB square. PA square plus PB square equal to AB square. Pythagoras theorem. PA square plus PB square equal to AB square. Now substituting that one, PA square, A is x1 y1, this one is x2 y2. x2 minus x1 whole square, x1 minus 4 whole square plus y2 minus y1, y1 minus 0 whole square, PA square. Next we write PB square. B, x1 y1, this one is x2 y2. x2 minus x1, x1 minus 0 whole square plus y2 minus y1, y1 minus 4 whole square equal to AB square. A is this one, B 0 4. Now we consider this one is x1 y1, x2 y2. x2 minus x1, 0 minus 4 whole square plus 4 minus 0 whole square. PA means distance between 2 points. Formula root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Already square is there. Square is given means square root is cancelled. Simplify this one. x1 minus 4 whole square by using a minus b whole square. x1 square minus 2ab minus 2 4s are 8 x1 plus b square 4 square 16 plus y1 minus 0 y1 square x1 minus 0 x1 square plus by using formula a minus b whole square y1 square minus 2ab minus 2 into y1 into 4. 2 4s are 8 y1 plus b square 4 square 16 equal to 0 minus 4 minus 4 whole square plus 4 square 4 4s are 16 plus 4 minus 0 4 square 16 4 4s are 16. That implies x1 square, once observe this one, here x1 square plus x1 square 2x1 square. Next y1 square plus y1 square 2y1 square. Next x1 terms minus 8x1. Next y1 terms minus 8y1 minus 8y1 minus 8x1 minus 8y1 plus 16 plus 16 plus 16 32 equal to 16 plus 16 32. 32 is cancelled. That implies 2x1 square plus 2y1 square minus 8x1 minus 8y1 equal to 0. Which table is cancelled? Second table is cancelled. That implies x1 square plus y1 square minus 2 4s are 4 times 4x1 minus 2 4s 4y1 equal to 0. x1 square plus y1 square minus 4x1 minus 4y1 equal to 0. Now we write locus equation. Hence required equation of the locus. Hence required equation of locus is now replace x1 y1 by x comma y. x1 square we write x square plus y1 square we write y square minus 4x1 minus 4x minus 4y1 minus 4y equal to 0. This is the equation of locus. Okay students, this is the important sums in locus. Okay. Dear students, please like and share this video and please subscribe this channel. Please give me your support. Okay students, thank you.